And now we will try to plug this. Hopefully it's nothing's. We will plug. And then you can see here the functional. And then we will tap this on, and then the smoke. This is the humidifier's smoke here. And it says here, if you want the mode, you can change the mode or the night. Oh, it feels like a little bit colder. I can feel it a little bit colder. And then there's the mode if you want to change. And if you want to use it during nighttime, then here, there's a night here. And then the humidity, if you want to control the humidity, you can press this one. And then the timer. It says it's until 12 hours working. And then if everything is balanced, then it's automatic off. And then here, it's like a warm or the plasma. This one. This is how is it working. Like this. Hello guys, again, this is CHEL'S and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I just want to flex or show you the Sandstrøm warm and cool mist ultrasonic humidifier. Again, this is a Sandstrøm warm and cool mist ultrasonic humidifier, and the tank is, my husband chose this one. He was looking it online and he chose this one. It's because the tank, you can fill the water up to 5 liter. And let's see if how is it work. By the way, I just want to tell you the reason why he decided to buy this humidifier things. It's because he has an allergy reaction, especially in the dust. And if the allergy reactions attack, he is barking like a dog. I mean, he is coughing like crazy, and it feels like or it sounds like he has an asthma, but he don't have. He's been in the doctor to check if he has an asthma or what, but he don't have. The doctor found out that he has only an allergy reaction. So the doctor give him a medicine for this allergy. But there are times that he cannot, what do you call this? There are times that accidentally, especially the day that if I woke up late and he's the one who woke up early and do the horses thing, the hay, because the hay, if you pick up the hay, it's a lot of dust from it, and it's trigger his allergy reaction. And not even like that, if sometimes it's better for him if he is outside doing some things, then everything is fresh. But if you are inside in the house during the winter, it's like humid, something like the humid, because the heater or the radiator, like blah 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 with the heat, and everything is closed, so it feels like humid for him. So we will try this. We will put this in the bedroom and we will see if it's help. But for now, his allergy reaction is like a little bit calm, but we will see if it help. But for now, I will show you how to use this and I will show you or flex if it's working good or what. After we use this tonight, then I can leave a comment in this video and tell you how is it. So we will try now the unboxing like this. And when you open it, it's the first thing you see, it's the manual. There's a manual here with a different language. There's English, there is Swedish, a lot of language in the manual, but we will see. And this is the hard pack protection on the top, and then the item will be here, is here. Maybe I can lift it up like this. It's in the plastic. Here. This is the item. And it's inside the plastic, so we will take the plastic like this. And like this, plastic there. So here is it. So here is it, the adapter. And if you plug, I think it says here that it's a plasma function. It's automatic humidity control. 12 hours timer. And if it's already fixed the humid, then it's automatic off, like something. So you cannot see for now you cannot see the power button or the choices. It's in this part. But if you plug this to the electric, I will show you later, then you can see the functions like this. But for now, we will put some water on it and we will see. It's 5 liters of water. In this humidifier apparatus, to refill the water, this is where you look, this part where you can locate the tank. You can get the exhaust cover. This is the exhaust cover here. And then when you lift these things, this is the tank where you can put the water. And to refill the water, you must flip it up like this. And then to flip up like this cover, we will remove this cover, like, so that we can refill a water like this. And then we will refill a water. To refill a water here, then we need to get a water in the sink. And I need to use this to refill like this. We need more. A little more. Yeah, I think that's enough. And then we will cover this one like this. We will tighten it, the cover like this. And then we need to flip it up like this. Flip up this, and then we already fill up a water here, 5 liters. And then after that, we will put it back here. And then we will flip it up and put it back in the body of the humidifier. Like this. Like this. You can see the water. Like this. And then we will put the exhaust cover on the top. Like that one. And then we will see how is it, if it's work or what. You can see the water in here. It's, yeah, we can tell it later. Wait. And now we will try to plug this. Hopefully it's nothing's. We will plug. And then you can see here the functional. And then we will tap this on, and then the smoke. This is the humidifier's smoke here. And it says here, if you want the mode, you can change the mode or the night. Oh, it feels like a little bit colder. I can feel it a little bit colder. And then there's the mode if you want to change. And if you want to use it during night time, then here, there's a night here. And then the humidity, if you want to control the humidity, you can press this one. And then the timer. It says it's until 12 hours working. And then if it's everything is balanced, then it's automatic off. And then here, it's like a warm or the plasma, this one. So this is how is it working, like this. And then for night, yeah, that's the night. So that is look like not really, the light is not really shining. Because if you do that, it's very light. If you do that, it's like blur. The humidity, you can change the humidity, but we need to put it into 45 because it's been cool here already. So put it into 45, like that. And then we will wait until we put the humidity in 45, and then it's like this. And the timer, you can set the timer there until whatever you want. You can set the timer there. And then warm or plasma, if you press that, then it's automatic. This one, yeah. Yeah, see, there is a lot of, yeah, like that is normal. And the smell, it's very nice. It's because in this side of the, this part on the left side, you can press this, and then you can put some essential here. You can drop some of the essential, and then put it back if you want some aroma smell, like that. So that's how it works.